How to return to the original Facebook page. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to show you how to return to the original Facebook page. So without further ado, let's go to our Google Chrome, exit this applications right here, and let's go to facebook.com. Log into our account right here. Enter the password. So this is the wrong password right here. Log into their account. So we can't log into our account yet. We are now log into our Facebook account. Go to our Facebook page right here. And as you can see, this is the Facebook page looks like now. And by the way guys, sometimes while browsing Facebook, you may end up on a different page or section and you want to go back to the main Facebook feed or your profile, and this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step to easily navigate back to the original Facebook page, ensuring you can access all your familiar features and content. So here, let's log into using our Facebook page right here. And here, this is our Facebook page. So let's go to settings. And let's read an article for this one in order for us to understand how we can get it back. Turn to original Facebook page right here. So this one, let's click this. So once we've clicked this now, we have to update ability to switch back to classic Facebook page. And we are already logged into our page, and then click on Start Now. Once you click on Start Now, the Facebook will now be redirecting you back to your Facebook page here. So let's get it back right here. So once you've set it up, classic page will be going soon, and you can no longer switch your page back to a classic page from the new page experience. So page admins will be prompted to update the new page experience and will be migrated shortly after action. So once you've done that, you've clicked this, just wait for an hour or two in order for you to go back to your original Facebook page. So here, just click new page experience here. Facebook page, as you can see, this is the page that we have now. So let's go back again. Right here, this is the Meta Suite account, by the way. And in that simple step, just click on the link that we have right here, update the ability to switch back to classic pages. And once you've done that, you can now go back to your classic pages. And that's a wrap on our tutorial, how to return to the original Facebook page. If following the steps we've outlined in this video, you're now able to navigate back to the main Facebook feed on your profile. So if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.